This wannabe tough guy thinks he could throw his hands on anyone, assault officers, and get away with creating nuisance on the school property. Watch what happens next.
Tim? Yep. Yeah, put your stuff down.
You're not putting no handcuffs on me, man.
No, don't do this.
You're not putting
hey,
no hands off me.
Pick it up. No, don't. Don't. You want to go? Get down. Get down. Taser deployed. Taser deployed. Get down.
Now back up.
Back up.
Get the
back up. 1033. 1033.
Hey, let me motherfucker. What's wrong with you, man?
You want to go?
Why did you shoot me, man?
Get down. Get down, Tim.
Tim arrived at the school despite being banned from the premises. He wasn't just unwelcome, he was there in violation of a restraining order, intent on seeing his son regardless of the legal consequences.
Don't grab it! Get down!
Stay out again.
Get down, Tim! Get on the ground!
Hands off me!
Get out, Tim! Don't do it, Tim. Don't do it. Tim, knock it off, dude. Knock it off. Stop. Tim. What do you got? I got his left arm pinned. Okay. He's got it going towards his waistband. I don't know if he got this thing.
Relax. Relax. Okay, hey, we got his legs splayed out here. We got it now. We got it now.
Easy.
We got it. We have one to one.
No.
I can't breathe. Not yet. There we go.
He's going my watch. Go my watch.
Go get me a hobble. Okay. All right, bud. Chill out. Chill out. Get this hand. Get this. Bring this leg up and lock that. There.
Okay, hold on. Give me the hobble.
Yep.
Where's the underleg?
He's right here. Wait, hold on. Make a figure 8. Hold on. Stop. You gotta make a figure 8 here, or he'll pull that foot out. Help me!
What are you saying? I don't know what you mean by figure 8. So
loosen that out. Okay, now cinch it down. There we go.
Punch me in the face.
Yeah, me too.
Grab my shit. Try to grab my stuff. So.
Help! Right. Glove up. Yeah, we got gloves.
You got gloves?
Glove me!
Relax. Do we have the cameras working today? Can we get that video, please? Who's in charge of the video?
When staff attempted to intervene, the situation exploded. Tim became violent, and in the struggle that followed, he tried to forcibly take keys from a school employee. The victim's desperate cries for help echoed through the building as bystanders rushed to assist.
He grabbed, my keys were in my hand.
Can I see your hand, sweetheart?
I'm sorry.
Can I see your hand, please?
Hand.
Is the Band-Aid new?
Yes, I just put it on.
Let's take that off real quick.
It's just a little.
That's okay. I'd really like to see it, though, please.
Where's Barb when I need her?
I think it came from the key scratching as he pulled the keys.
Okay, will you put both your palms down for me?
Back me up on his car!
You're fine right where you're at, my friend.
Let's adjust this cuff. I don't want him pulling that hand out. Help me!
Stop fighting, dude. Hey, stop fighting. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now.
Where do you grab you at?
By the hand.
By the hand,
I had
okay.
my key in my hand.
Okay.
And he said, give me your keys. I said, no. He said, give me your keys. And I said, no. And so then he grabbed my hand where I had the keys, and I said, no. And I pulled, and he pulled, and I said, no. And then I started yelling, help, help.
And me and my came running out, and I pushed him out of the way, tried to grab the keys, and then he was starting to come after me, and then kind of got involved. So it was.
What did he say to you?
He didn't say anything. He's like, his son's supposed to be here at this school. I was like, no, he is not here. School gets out at 2 o'clock. He is not here. He was saying that somebody told him his son's here.
You alright? Easy, dude. Can somebody double lock these cuffs?
Cuff key right here. Got it.
He's like, I'm just getting off of drugs, and we thank you for sharing that information with us. We're glad you're getting off the drugs, but get off the premises. School is out. You are not welcome here.
Okay. Somebody's going to come write you or give you some statement forms here in a minute, okay? You're willing to write me a statement about what happened?
I need you to talk a little louder.
Sorry. Just give me 2 seconds. Let me take a deep breath.
Me too.
Someone's going to bring some statement forms in.
Okay.
Are you willing to write me a statement about what happened?
Yeah.
Are you willing to write me a statement as well?
Yeah.
All right, thanks, guys.
Officers attempted to restrain Tim, but he fought back with shocking aggression. The first taser deployment, he powered through it. Pepper spray barely fazed him. Tim continued resisting with such intensity that officers struggled to get him under control, even as they deployed the taser multiple times.
Resisting in obstruction at this point. Okay. She's got video, victims inside. I got pictures of the victim. If we can just hand out statement forms to everybody here, and then the video should be done in a minute.
Yep. You good? Any way I can help?
No, now we're just waiting on the damn ambulance.
What do we need out here?
He needs to go to the hospital.
Okay.
We need witness statements for the fighting. You already got that?
Video's on the way.
And
PC
we need to investigate the regional incident.
PC for assault for domestic violence already. It's criminal trespass, 2nd degree.
Okay.
Resisting, obstruction, assault 3 times 2.
Got it. Hey, just spin him.
Assault 3 times 3. Start taking pictures of everything everywhere. He got tased once, OC'd twice, punched in the face a few times.
Hey, we would like to relieve pressure, but you got to stop kicking.
Okay,
We'll keep him where he is. Hey, hang tight, bud. Hang tight. Okay.
We're trying to get you.
We're trying to get you help here. Okay.
Take slow, deep
We
breaths.
understand that the OC is probably still bad. Okay. But what you need to do is you need to stop. Take deep breaths.
The ambulance here.
That's something we can do.
Stop kicking.
This is a robbery.
You tried to grab her keys?
Yes, he demanded her car keys and took them from her. If they had a fight over the keys, that's how she got injured, and he got the keys away from her.
Rob one.
Yeah.
Okay.
He came here wanting to see his son. First of all, his son's mother called me before school was out, wanting to make sure he was getting on the daycare bus. His dad's here in town, wants to try and see him. I got to tell something wasn't right. He was thinking I was lying to him, that the kids were still here. I said, I'm sorry, they get out at 2 o'clock on Wednesdays. Well, why are you all here? He wouldn't leave. He's knocking on my window, pounding on the door. I called the little boy's mom, and I'm like, Priscilla, what's the deal? She goes, there's a restraining order. I said, yes, there is. I see that. Anyway, so then I look out, and sweet little Sarah was coming in. She's just a community service person. She doesn't even work here, has no keys. So when she came up, I just went out that door because I, once again, I wanted to let her in, but not him.
Right.
So then, after I gave her the book, she went back to get in her truck, and he would just not get out of her face. So I was watching. I'm going to go back out there, and then I saw him grab her at her, and that's when I called 911. So
Okay,
that's when we
perfect.
started.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Restrain on the other side, so when he goes in, we can...
Watch his hood, yeah. I got it.
All right. You want him?
It took 5 of us to handcuff him.
Try to relax. You got tons of restraints on you, Roger.
One officer alone wouldn't have stood a chance. This was a situation that required backup, coordination, and persistence to bring under control without anyone suffering worse injuries than they already had. Throughout the ordeal, witnesses provided crucial statements, and emergency responders worked to document every detail of the incident. The surveillance cameras captured it all, providing the evidence that would later be essential in court. When the dust finally settled, Tim faced a mountain of serious charges: robbery, assault, and multiple felonies related to his resistance and violence against both school staff and law enforcement.